I guess I'm gonna freaking find Uzi now. Oh, hello again. Oh.
Quick question. What would you do with a Burger King crown in an airlines flight?
I fucking knew.
Yeah. I don't think that's what it was.
Yes, it is, bro.
Mainly when people join the lobby, I look for rage baiters because if they try to rage bait me, I'll just block them.
Your pet snake's heading to the cage for no reason. Just to relax.
What the fuck?
I am massive snake.
Oh crap.
What do you say? Like, everyone's blue, I need to fix everyone's avatar.
Get out. That's me.
Wait, she's 12 years old and I'm 34? Zam, nigger. Zam.
Cyan,
Hmm?
Cyan, you should totally go. You should totally go in
Oh my
that
God,
cage with all those
There's a
snakes.
kid, bro. Montana, there's a kid here.
Huh?
Would have a sword fight with me?
Yeah,
Why is the
you have
movie
fun.
coming
I
just
forgot to
torch me?
feed
What
my.
the
I don't know how to help you, but you have fun. So I'm gonna go feed my cat. I kind of forgot how to feed her. Yeah, I forgot to feed my cat. Yeah, you have fun with that one. Just gonna walk out here.
Your snake is hungry.
I knocked you out! No! I'm not letting you in! Fine.
That's not fucked up. You still going there? You don't get no cookies still.
Your snake is just hungry. Calm down.
Going there first. Going with you.
Still got us.
Oh, that big snake right behind you? Yeah, that's.
Oh, I
that's
want
your
some of
pet-
that Zaza.
Your pet snake's brother.
You still want these snakes? Or like...
Huh? What are you holding, Mike?
Your mom.
Nothing.
Austrian painter, bro.
Mm.
Said you were. Oh, it's the monkey from the me. Monkey.
Who did that? Listen, bro. People don't know me, okay?
Yo,
My
what
name
type
is
of
Zane
internet
Hussein,
do you
okay? I
have,
flew a plane
bro?
on 9/11.
What type of internet? Or are you just laggy? Or is that like met? Yo. Yo, it looks like you have horrible internet. Running off of two potatoes. Running off of two potatoes. Look.
McDonald's Wi-Fi, dude.
Yo, do you work at? Are you in a McDonald's? Are you in a McDonald's? Is the real question.
That's where that's the Temu
Oh,
warehouse
cause they're
Wi-Fi, dude.
PC. They
Temu
just have a
warehouse.
bad PC.
They're on Android, bro. They're on Android. You know that, right? They're on Android.
Yeah, in the fucking discussion. You know, you're gonna go in your
That's sad.
you're gonna go in your fucking cage before I beat the living shit out of both of y'all. Get You too.
Me?
Yes, you. Both of you. Who the next person I see, I swear to God.
Fucking sound.
I quit.
I would like to introduce you to.
Go to bed. You nuzzling me, y'all nuzzling me is not gonna make me change your mind. Y'all still in big trouble.
I'm sniffing you.
I don't want to be sniffed. No.
Bro, how do you even
it was-
torture these things, man?
Allahu Akbar, nigga. Yeah, exactly.
Hey, does anyone want some snakes?
Montana, no one was fucking asking you, retard.
You have the autism here.
Alright, at least I don't fucking. At least I
At
don't
least
have
I
a
don't
kink for getting
beat my
fucking
own
beat. At least I don't have a kink for getting beat by my fucking parents, dude. As I said, at least, listen, bro, you're
What
just
the hell
mad
is that
because
noise?
you have a kink where you like getting.
Why are you doing it into turn like green and like
Place down cancer for it, man. Jewish.
Yo, I didn't know they made a simulator about you guys, bro. I'm very.
oh crap, my game crashed.
I totally come in peace, I swear. I come in peace, I swear.
Oh my god.
Jesus, man.
In general, but like last raid,
Oh yeah.
well, the first one and
I still
second
need
one
to.
were.
I still need to aim more for the head. I don't know why it's just stopped. So stupid for me.
You really have
Call
to
of
just
Duty
check what
mindset.
ammo you're using.
Call of Duty mindset. Fuck you, Buckeye guy.
Damn.
No.
It's your people. It's your people right there. It's your people.
Who?
Right there. It's your
Morty
people.
gang.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. When's the last time I watched Rick and Morty? Was season 5?
Yo, you looking for Beth, bro? You looking for Beth by chance?
Shut the fuck up.
Nope, I don't really want to.
What?
Oh my god, that's gonna be like the worst fucking like sounding human I've ever met in my entire life.
Huh? Hold on, let me turn on my headset. I cannot hear shit from you. What?
What the hell is he talking about? I'm just gonna back away. It's not gonna over there.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
9/11 jokes.
2026. This fucking Russian was stuck in 2016. Oh my god. This Russian was stuck in 2016. We gotta die. We gotta fucking die.
2000.
Jesus Christ.
2000.
2000.
You British.
2000.
2000.
No, I'm not British. I do not sound British at all.
2000. 1000, innit?
I know
What,
you're
you got-
Russian. You don't have
what,
any
you got
education
£3,
over
innit? You
there.
got £3.
So bad he has to resort
It's
to rage bait. Holy
£3,
fuck.
Saying shit, just saying shit for you.
Yo, he got fried.
Who are you? Who are you again, bro? A
Smartest
new
Russian.
challenger, okay?
I'm
You're a
his
new
friend right
challenger.
Russian.
here. I'm his friend right here, and I
Yeah,
actually
okay,
have
who let you join the
friends.
conversation? You're a
So,
dishwasher. Get
you
back in
know,
my
when my
fucking
friend is
kitchen.
arguing with someone,
Make me
I'm
my
going to join into the
sandwiches.
argument.
I
Dirty
dishwasher.
dishwasher.
Make
Go
you
make
your
me
sandwich. Dirty dishwasher. Do I
Go
sound like a
make me my
woman?
sandwiches, you dishwasher.
That's a dude, bro.
Laughing about his own joke, bro. He got no friends. This is so bad. Jesus Christ, we gotta die.
Bro actually thinks he's the knuckle buster.
Did this niggle just
Bro,
have to
Bro
die?
thinks he's
You're
Big
getting
Buster.
made fun of by a guy behind you.
Yo,
and
you're
nobody talks
actually
to you.
watching
Holy
TikTok.
fuck, you're an
You're
Run
embarrassment.
to the
weird.
odd stop.
What the fuck?
You're
One
watching
time.
TikTok. Oh shit, I hear that shit.
What the hell is this?
Anymore. It's India. Good.
You're speaking with an accent.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, what a nut, bro.
And who are you? And who are you? And who are you?
Holy
exactly?
embarrassment. He's getting fried by randoms. He needs to die.
On God, on God. You're fried by randoms because it was fucking
Dude,
Wi-Fi.
dude, that is
Talk
said
about
lonely, but
sucking.
like, are you trying to suck Jerry's dick? Alright, so
Ironic.
guys appeared out of nowhere and said, you're
Yo,
talking to me.
you're actually.
Can I just kill myself? Cause I don't worry, man, and I need a hunch. Extra hunch, if you know what I mean.
Peekaboo.
Wait. Oh my
Ah.